What is it? It's the card for Daddy, because what? It's Father's Day, right? Right? Okay, let's go give it to him. Come on. Here we go. Come on, Viv. Come on. Come on, here we go. Come on. Here we go. He's in there. Ready? Go give it to him. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
Hi! Oh my goodness! Thank you. Is this for me? Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Thank you. My first Father's Day card that Nanitas gives me. Wow. Look at this. From your little girl. Love, Viviana, because I love you an awful lot. Here's the biggest daddy hug I got. Happy Father's Day. Love, Viviana. Yeah! Oh. Thank you.
What is this?
Eso es un pollito.
And this.
Eso es para poner en la cabeza así. Para que no se caigan los pelos. Y ese es un flor.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you like that?
Yes, there.
Mm-hmm. Do you like that?
What this?
Sí.
What this?
Eso es un bumblebee.
What this?
Un flor.
What
Sí.
this?
Sí.
What this?
Otro bumblebee.
Mama,
Yeah?
mommy,
Yeah?
you do this.
Yeah. That's the card.
Mama, mommy,
Papi. Papi.
mama, mama,
That's
No,
mommy.
it's for
Este
Papi.
es mommy. Este es papi.
That's for Puppy.
mama,
Yeah?
mama, this.
Yeah, okay. You made that. It said, oh, it says love Viviana.
Mama,
Yeah.
this.
Uh-huh.